24 already, so tomorrow is Christmas. I just finished work. It's now 5:55 p.m. and I also just finished opening one day from the advent calendar that I was filming. I don't know if it's here on this vlog or it's in the last week's vlog. I'm just gonna bring you guys throughout my evening kasi syempre anong oras na, hindi na siya whole day. So I'm just gonna eat and then I'll shower and then we're gonna eat dinner again and we're gonna open gifts. So yeah, tomorrow Christmas, we're gonna go somewhere, but I just don't know where yet. So that will be in this vlog as well. I'm excited to open my gifts, even though I know some of it. I just want to open it already.
Good coffee, I sit down, I eat it, it's delicious.
I just finished eating bread. I'm gonna make popcorn and then I'll put barbecue powder. So it's like barbecue popcorn. Popcorn.
Ibang powder nilagay ko.
Finished taking a shower and drying my hair. Now I'm gonna do my makeup. It's now 11 p.m. So this is my outfit for tonight. We're wearing all gold pajama. I just finished doing my brows. I don't know if I feel like it looks good because I shaved my brows and my face. I might just put concealer and then blush and then that's it. Thinking of putting my hair up. Wait a minute. Thinking of... Paano ba ginawa ko kanina? I feel like... Should I just have a messy hair? Look at her messy table. I know. Yucky.
Fold pa.
Steam mo. Ba't kasi ano?
Asan yung steam natin?
Naman mo?
Oo.
Here's our Christmas tree. Our motif for this Christmas is gold. As you can see. And these are the gifts. We have a lot of gifts.
This one hit this up.
Merry Christmas! It's already 12.
Merry Christmas, guys!
Ano, nagbukas sila ng mga ilaw dun.
We're preparing the Noche Buena.
It's a small Noche Buena.
And mommy haven't finished this Advent tea calendar.
Basketball daw bukas.
Video pala to. And one, I don't remember.
Yeah,
Big cupcake.
it's an Italian delicacy.
Big muffin.
Italians will be upset with you, Erica. You're calling this a muffin.
Put in my food and they're already under dessert.
No. Oh, here. Ethan from Mommy and
Check muna natin.
Hard.
Cute.
Ang galing, sino nag-isip na itong may tali?
Si mommy.
Ganda ng presentation. Lumalaki na yung ano ko. Watch collection ko.
Talaga?
First gift is
Watch.
watch.
Sapatos ba to? Parang sapatos eh.
Oh, shoes!
Hindi, ito na ata yung bola na to, no?
Ano?
Ito na yung bola.
Open it. Didikit lang ng glue gun yan.
Ano, buksan na ito, kailangan may cassette.
Hindi ah.
Kaya mo yan?
2,000 years.
Ang hirap.
Sige lang.
Oh, diba?
Tapos meron pa ulit. What is it?
Ready. Ready ko na.
Hala, napipila pa na siya sa loob
Hindi
eh.
naman siya naman naka-open eh.
Oh, tignan. Oh, thank you. Ito, tignan mo. Tahe siya.
Oh.
Tahi.
Embroidery.
Okay, ano pa yung isang gift?
Tommy rin pala yung isa.
Ooh.
For the ano to, AirPod.
And then next one.
Wait lang, inaayos ko yung shirt.
Kuya, ang tagal.
Ano to? Pati yung sa'yo, may mga ganito. Tapos akin,
Wala.
Meron!
meron kasi inyo kay mama.
Yung
din.
bola lang. Kasi naubusan siya ng pang-wrap. Kaya naggupit na lang ulit siya para lang matakpan yung part na yun.
Oh my God!
Pero ang galing nyo. Galing nyo mag-rap.
Kuya, nasaya sa gilid.
Ay, kailangan pala. Sana
Yeah.
dito ko nilalagay yung mga
What is
memories.
that? Photo
For-
album?
Photo album.
He wants a photo album.
Ay,
Ah.
kaso baka mapuno agad to.
Oy, mas malaki.
May design pa yan kahit malaki. Pakita mo.
Bakit parang daming regalo ni Kuya?
Parang ang dami no? Ba't ginanto mo pa, ni? Sobrang effort naman.
Hindi ba niya alam yan?
Ewan ko, ang dami yung may mga maliliit kasi akong binigay sa kanya.
Oh, iba-iba kasi binigay niya, pero parang bag.
Parang hindi mo alam, ha?
Ganda pa naman ang box nila. Liliitan ko
Nike
pa
to,
yan.
Nike. Nike to, diba?
Careful.
Bako?
Di ba white?
Oh, careful.
Black pala yung kinuha mo, yung sabi mo white.
Kuya,
Ano
picturean
to?
mo to. Picturean mo
Di ko na alam kung ano.
Ito may pinakamaganda akong balot.
Ba't parang di ko alam tong ano to?
Magugustuhan mo yan. Ma, di ba? Ang ganda ng balot. Kuya, ang ganda ng pagkabalot.
Ganda
Ganyan
mo
pa.
sa
Alam mo, ganda lang mo na. Di ba? Ayan yung may pinakamagandang balot.
Oo, ito yun yung pinakamagandang balot. Picture mo muna kaya tong gift lang, ganito lang, muna.
Picture naman yun sa phone mo.
Hindi! Baliw!
Sapatos eh. Kala ko Tatum 3. Nakita ko kasi may sapatos eh. Lalagayan ng sapatos. Lagayan ba ng sapatos? Inabahan ako ng puto. Kala ko mga sapatos eh.
Sabi ko, instead of giving me yung mga bags and everything, at least yung jewelry, investment.
Real gold.
Oo. This one naman is an earrings. Yay! May pa-surprise pa si Erica. Naawa daw siya kasi sa akin kasi wala akong gift masyado.
It's okay kasi mahal naman yung mga yan eh.
Hindi ko lang alam kung kasya sa kanya.
Oh my God. What is this? Because I'm fat?
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah? Ano ba yan? Puro damo-damo.
Nest.
Ooh! Oh, I like this! Para siyang Korean style. It's talaga niya.
Nakakainis. Kala ko may ganyan ka na, kaya ako tinignan yung kwarto mo para tignan kung may ganyan kang damit. Ito yung unang-unang gift na nalagay sa Christmas tree.
Ah, diba?
Ako yung unang-unang
Thank
naglagay.
you!
Can I see the card?
Oo nga, I like the old card better. There's like illusion.
Yeah, last time.
Yeah.
Hindi nila na-appreciate yung card ko.
Maganda siya.
Maganda kasi bagay sa'yo to, kaya nung nakita ko bagay
Check the message, check the message.
Basahin mo.
Unfortunately, what she wants are expensive Christmas presents.
Which is true!
I feel like it's more general. It's not like
What do you mean general?
heartfelt like
Like last
before.
time?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Pero gusto ko okay lang siya, pero parang mas hindi siya pinag-isipan. Yung last year pa, medyo parang
Okay, this is for mommy. Extra.
first
extra.
one, ito hindi ko to alam. Ito lang ata hindi ko alam na gift. What is this?
What is it? Magagamit mo yan, Ning.
Pag nasira ko yung box. Ano to?
Ano yan?
Ano to?
Ano
May
yan?
hindi ko mabuksan.
Alam mo, inikot-ikot ko nga yun. Dinamihan ko.
Sobrang hirap.
Dinamihan ko
mabuksan
nga
eh.
yung para hindi mo mabuksan actually.
Ayaw niya!
Hindi mo pa kasi.
Hindi siya makata.
Kalahati mo, tinaipan ko kasi.
Oh, bakit mo tinip? Masisira yung box.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. May ano pa naman eh. Tanggalin mo dyan.
Hindi, gusto ko tinatago ko pa rin to eh.
Ah.
Ang ganito eh. Wala lang.
Hindi ko naman matandaan kung ano yung binili ko. Ang nga pala. Busy talaga siya.
Hindi ko to sinilip eh. Oo nga. Jasper Conran na bag. Ang bigat! It's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Hobo ba?
Erika, the bag itself is heavy. And then when you put something inside, it will be much heavier. You shouldn't buy this type of bag.
I don't care.
What do you mean I don't
Can I,
care?
can I?
Try it.
It's heavy.
The quality is nice, that's why it's heavy. Oh, di ba? Hindi na siya masyado mabigat.
Parang mabigat.
It's still heavy. You're not the one who's gonna use it. Don't complain. Ito muna. Siya lang nagbalot mismo nung box, pero nilagay ko, pinagsama ko sa isa. Walang kamot.
Ako di ko alam kung ano yan eh.
Parang ako ata bumili nito, binigay niya lang sa akin.
Di ko nga alam kung ano yung regalo ko sa kanya eh.
Blush and contour.
Ah, make-up.
Makeup.
Last one.
My last one.
Ito parang ano to. Wala mo kung ano. Ayan, maganda yung pagkabalot ko dyan.
Hala, nasira ko agad yung plastic.
Oo
And
nga.
what is that?
It's Tommy Hilfiger sweater.
Already mad outside because I'm taking too long. This was inside. I'm gonna put you guys here some middle part. I feel like I'm gonna have a backache and stiff neck. Sobrang naka-upright yung seats. Hindi siya comfortable. Sobrang sakit na ng likod namin sa
Ay, ano pwede ko kaya i-drive to.
Bawal.
Dito lang ako sa parking yan.
I got a mocha cream. No cream. We're walking. We're going to the seaside. Sakit na ng mata ko sa win and sa mascara. So, parang na siyang iiyak na ewan.
Fit check. Hold up. Hold on.
Color green siya, but it looks clear. Pero,
Turquoise.
oo.
Or doon ka lang sa gilid, hawak ka lang.
It's now 10:10 p.m. I'm very, very, very sleepy. Yung bag ko, I used my new bag and there's already a scratch here on the sa zipper niya. That's it for this vlog. I'll see you in
Fix yourself and realign yourself with the world.